The URIFRESH Waterless Urinal uses patented technology in its valve, which can be damaged by bleach and acidic cleaners. Please ensure only URIFRESH certified cleaning products are used when cleaning the URIFRESH Waterless Urinal. This maximizes system performance and urinal hygiene. Remove all foreign debris from the urinal bowl and around the waste outlet. Spray liberally in and around the urinal bowl with the diluted multi-purpose cleaning solution. Wipe down the urinal bowl and immediate surrounding area, including the underside of the bowl. Make sure to clean the walls and floor around the bowl to remove any residue from splashes or spills. Remember to remove the cartridge, dome, and clean underneath. This will prevent uric salt buildup on the waste outlet. If the system is heavily used, we recommend pouring about 1 litre of treated water down each urinal daily, and in any case, 2 litres weekly. Finish by spraying the cleaning solution around the cartridge to treat the pipework with the microbes and enzymes needed for the ecosystem to work properly.